Hello, I saw your question on discussion board. You want to compute critical value z sub alpha over 2 that corresponds to an 81% level of confidence. And so we want z sub alpha over 2. I'll explain that part here in a minute. But so for 81% confidence interval, I'm just going to use the normal calculator. If you open StatCrunch, if you click down here, get more help, and open StatCrunch, click on Stat, and then calculators, and then you select this normal calculator. And then I've selected between because we're talking about 81% confidence interval. So I click between, I put 0.81 in here, click compute. This is the number they're after, the 1.31. That's c sub alpha over 2. But what does this mean? Well, the total area under normal curve is 1. Is 81%. That means this area in the red is 0.181, which means the area in the white or in the tails is 1 minus 0.81 or 0.19, and then we got two of these equally divided. So the area in each of these tails is 0.095. 0 alpha over 2, is referring to the alpha in this case is the 0.19 divided by 2, and we're getting 0.095. That's referring to this particular z-score right here, which is the 1.31. I hope that helps.